So today we're going to be taking a look at Fortress's Contour Fusion Focus Screen Protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this is a film screen protector, and they do give you a $200 oath stating that if something happens to your phone, they're going to help you make it right and pay for up to $200 for repairs. I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review to you guys. But today we're going to go through the full installation. We're going to be testing out our S Pen, our fingerprint sensors, how well it fits in our case, and whether or not I recommend this screen protector for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So with this, you get one film screen protector, an installation tray, a squeegee, and an installation kit. So first you're going to want to clean off your screen with the alcohol wipe and then dry it off. Then you're going to take your installation tray. You want the top signifier to be towards the camera on your phone. We're going to take our phone and put it into the tray. You can take your wipe and press down on the screen to make sure that it's properly in place. Then you're going to take your screen protector, make sure that the little camera cutout is towards the top. We're going to very carefully peel off the little part that says pull, but when you're peeling this off, make sure that it doesn't take the screen protector with it. Make sure you don't touch the underside. We're going to place the little guide holes on the guide posts. Do the same thing for the bottom. So it'll look just like that. Then you're going to take your squeegee. We're going to press in the middle and then press up towards the screen here. While you're at the top of the screen, while you're holding the squeegee at the top, I would definitely keep pressure and then release the little tab at the top here. Just like that, and then press down the rest of the way. Do the same thing for the other side. We're going to place your squeegee behind the part that's already down, and then we're just going to squeegee forward. And then while we're holding it, release the little tabs at the end here, and then continue to squeegee the rest of the way. Then very carefully, we're going to lift off the top protector. And then we're going to squeegee down the sides. Then to get your phone out, just press from the back of the guide and pop your phone out just like that. So it does look like it's a fingerprint magnet, and there's this line on the side of the screen protector that I cannot get out. I'd most likely have to maybe lift the screen protector up, but that shouldn't be there at all. So that's definitely not good. Like I said before, it does seem to pick up a lot of fingerprints. It is pretty smooth to the touch. You can just easily wipe away those fingerprints. That's not horrible. Let's test out our fingerprint sensor. Okay, fingerprints are registered. Let's test them out. Fingerprints seem to be working just fine. Touch is fine. It's also nice and clear. No problems there. Let's test out our S Pen. S Pen seems to be working just fine. There is some resistance, maybe a little more than I would like, but the S Pen is working just fine. Let's take a look at the screen now. I don't see any markings from the S Pen, which is definitely a plus. So not too bad at all. It does look like it comes almost to the top of our screen here, and it does have a little bit of a gap at the bottom. As far as the sides, it doesn't come right up to the sides. There is a slight gap. Let's put it in our case. So again, it doesn't touch the case at the bottom, and it comes right up to the top of the case up there, so there might be some problems maybe with some other cases. I do see a little bit of buckling in the corner there, but nothing significant yet. It looks like it comes up to the edge of the case itself. I do see some bubbles showing on the sides. If you guys can see those right there, there's some bubbles, and there's some bubbles on the other side as well, but not too bad. Like I said, fingerprint sensor is working. Installation could have been better. This line here, it may go away over time, but I'm not willing to bet on that. That's really an annoyance. It seems like the edges are the hardest things to get properly, because if the bubble starts in the middle of the screen, it's a lot harder to get it out. So it's definitely not the best installation, but it's probably not the worst. It seems to be working with the fingerprint sensor. S Pen works well with it. Case compatibility could be questionable because of the top and the sides. I would probably tell you to stay away from this one because of that, the way that it fits with the case, and because of the installation. And I would give this one a thumbs down. So I really had kind of high hopes for the screen protector, but it is what it is. And it's, like I said, it's definitely not one of the best screen protectors for film that you can get out there. So I would probably stay away from this. But if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. And other than that, I will be putting a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.